Robert T.S. Huey enrolled in the Confederate Army in 1861 and was captured in Atlanta by General Sherman's army. Robert purchased this property around the time of the Civil War. Any history before this time was burned at the courthouse in Jonesboro, Georgia during Sherman's march to the sea. The main farmhouse was originally constructed with 4 rooms, 2 upstairs and 2 downstairs with a chimney in the center.
Behind me is the barn that Robert T.S. Huey built when he inherited this land after the Civil War. You can see he has tractors and you see all the old farm equipment he got. The room he built 4 bedrooms, 2 downstairs and 2 upstairs. A fireplace is in there. It's closed to the public. We can't go in, but this is the side. The old wagon. I almost fell. This old wagon has been here since the late 19th century. He's born. He's been here since the late 19th century. And let's get a good shot of it. These bridges was constructed in the 1920s, the 1970s, by the Lands and Conservation Fund for tourists to come and enjoy the park. These paths was constructed, these bridges, and there's a dock around on the other side of the park that I'll try to get over there and see it later. But these bridges were built for tourists to come and walk and see the nature preserve. See this pond right here? This is a man-made pond. It was put here when after William Reynolds purchased the property and turned it into a nature reserve. He put a lot of these ponds, like 3 of these ponds around here. Man-made ponds, just for sightseeing, for tourists and stuff who want to come out and enjoy the nature reserve. There's a few more around. There's one up there, and there's a dock with a huge lake around there. I think the lake isn't man-made, but I know the swamp is. So, yeah. This is the second pond. It's a man-made pond. It's put here by William H. Reynolds in the 1920s. All of that. See that? It's nice, right? And that way is a big lake. But yeah, you see it. That's right. Hey, this is the bridge and the dock that was built here by the Land and Conservation Fund in 1976 for the lake. This lake isn't man-made. It's a natural lake. You see it. And over there, the turtles are sunbathing in the sun. Like that. You see it? Yeah, this is it. Scory at the Williams H. Reynolds Nature Preserve in Mara, Georgia.
William H. Reynolds purchased the land in the 1920s. The judge was known for giving tours of the preserve in his Cadillac on what are hiking trails today. In 1976, William donated the land to Clayton County for preservation. In 1979, the Lands of Conservation Funds helped provide funds to construct piers and bridges for tourists. The nature preserve was named the William H. Reynolds Memorial Nature Preserve in honor of Judge William H. Reynolds. Today people enjoy walks, wetlands, and ponds fed by natural springs. You can also enjoy wild animals. Take the opportunity to step back in time and admire old farm equipment, spring houses, and a barn dating back to 1867.